PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning offers advanced ductless HVAC systems in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, providing efficient and flexible heating and cooling solutions for homes and businesses. Ductless systems are ideal for properties without traditional ductwork, room additions, or areas needing improved temperature control. Our experienced technicians install and service high-quality systems designed for energy efficiency, quiet operation, and customizable comfort. These systems allow you to control temperatures in individual zones, helping reduce energy costs while enhancing indoor comfort. Trust PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania for professional ductless HVAC solutions that deliver convenience, efficiency, and year-round climate control. Call us today, PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a ductless HVAC systems near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. How long does installation take for ductless HVAC systems? Installation of ductless HVAC systems in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania is typically faster than traditional HVAC installations because no ductwork is required. Most single-zone systems can be installed within 1 day, while multi-zone systems may take 1 to 2 days depending on the complexity of the project. Can ductless HVAC systems improve energy efficiency? Yes, ductless HVAC systems in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania can significantly improve energy efficiency compared to traditional systems. Because these systems deliver air directly to specific zones, they eliminate energy loss associated with ductwork. This allows the system to operate more efficiently and use less energy. What is your service office for ductless HVAC systems, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania? Our local ductless HVAC systems Glen Mills, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Pocopson, Chadds Ford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike, number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, https://pjmashfats.com/air duct cleaning services Glen Mills/